Hi, let's start this question. This question was asked in JEE 2020, and the question is of the species NO, NO plus, NO2 plus, and NO minus, the one with minimum bond strength. So we have to comment about bond strength, and we know that bond strength is directly proportional to bond order. Okay, so we will calculate bond order of every species from here. So all those species are starting with nitrogen, and know the for nitrogen the electronic configuration is something like that sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, then sigma 2s, and then sigma star 2s, and then pi 2px equals to pi 2py, and then sigma 2z, and then pi star 2px equals to pi star 2py, and sigma star 2z. So the electronic configuration is something like that. Okay, so first of all we have to calculate, let's calculate the bond order of NO. Okay, so NO has 7 plus 8 equals to 15 electron. Okay, so we'll start filling from here. Okay, so first of all what we filled, sigma 1 is 2, sigma star, sorry 1 is 2, then sigma 2 is 2, sigma star 2 is 2. So we have filled 8 electrons right now. So pi 2px equals to pi 2py. So 8 and 2 from here, 10 plus 2, 12. Basically we filled first 1 electron here and then 1 electron here, again 1 electron here and 1 electron there. Okay, so we have 12 electrons and we have to fill 3 electrons more. So sigma 2pz 2, that is a 14, and sigma 2px equals to sigma 2py, here is star and here is star. Okay, and it will work. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. Okay, so the formula of bond order is, what is number of electrons in bonding orbital minus number of electrons in anti-bonding electron divided by 2. Okay, so the configuration with star is your anti-bonding and without star is bonding. So calculate the bonding, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10. Okay, so we have 10 electrons in bonding and 2 and 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 electrons in anti-bonding, that is star marked. So the bond order of NO is 2.5. Okay, and let's calculate the bond order of NO plus. NO plus is how much? 7 plus 8 minus 1, that is your 14 electron. Minus 1 is done just because of loss of 1 electron. Okay, and it is equivalent to which species? N2, and N2 has bond order equals to 3, or you can calculate from the same electronic configuration, you will get bond order is 3. Okay, and in the similarly when you calculate the bond order of NO2 plus, that is 7 plus 8 minus 2, that is your 13 electron, you will get the bond order as 2.5, and the bond order of NO minus, that is 7 plus 8 plus 1, plus 1 is for gain of 1 electron. Okay, so it is 16 electron, and the bond order of 16 electron is how much? 2, or you can say equivalent to O2. Okay, so we got all the bond orders, and we can see from here that bond order of which one? NO minus. Okay, NO minus is 2, that is minimum. Okay, so the bond order, or you can say bond strength of NO minus 1 is the minimum, and this is our answer. Okay, So hope this answered the question. Thank you, and please subscribe our channel.